everyone, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to make this Flutterby earring component here. And what we need is some IrisDuos, MiniDuos, PieDuos, a couple of 11-Os, 15-Os, wire guards, and earring wires. When you line this up, I kind of did an expanded version of the actual piece here. When we do that with the PieDuos, I think of it as a half circle kind of facing back to back from each other, and then all we do is we kind of stick in there our little MiniDuo with that. I'm going to use about 2 feet of size 6 smoke thread so that you can see the thread path I'm going to take. So we're going to go in the flat side of this PieDuo. We're then going to pick up the 11-O, the IrisDuo, the 11-O, the curved side of the PieDuo, the MiniDuo, flat side of the PieDuo. Then we're going to catch that other side, the other hole of the IrisDuo, through the curved side of the PieDuo, then through the MiniDuo. And then we'll get back here. We're going to go around again and then tie it off. So we'll go through the flat side of the PieDuo, pick up an 11-O, through the IrisDuo, pick up the 11-O, curved side of the PieDuo, MiniDuo, flat side of the PieDuo, then we have to go back through the IrisDuo, the bottom hole of the IrisDuo. Then we'll pick up that last PieDuo on the curved side, and then the MiniDuo. So we have the basic outline of the butterfly. Now we're going to go back through the same thread path that we took before, and we're going to tie it off here in a standard right over left, left over right knot.
Do you want to get over $100 of premium beads for only $34.99? The new and improved PotomacBeads Treasure Box is a beautiful assortment of high-quality beads featuring both classic and new materials. As a monthly subscriber, you'll save up to 60% off retail prices. Get your Treasure Box subscription today for only $34.99 and $100 worth of beads. Visit PotomacBeads.com/subscribe or click on the link in the description.
So we tied off our threads here. So we're coming out of this PieDuo here. We're now going to put the 15 O's around the edge. So we're going to need to get our thread over to the other side. So we're going to go through this PieDuo, the 11-O, IrisDuo, 11-O, through the curved side of the PieDuo, and through this MiniDuo over here. So we'll go through the PieDuo, go through the 11-O, sometimes you can grab the IrisDuo at the same time. Through that IrisDuo, 11-O, through the curved side of the PieDuo, and then down through the MiniDuo. Now we're going to go up through the other hole of the MiniDuo and add 3 15 O's. So we'll go up through the MiniDuo. We'll pick up 3 15 O's. 1, 2, 3. Then we'll go up through this flat side of the PieDuo and it comes out the curved side. Now we're going to pick up 6 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to circle back around and go through this same flat side of the PieDuo here and come back out the same place we are currently. There we go. So we have all 9 15-ohs on this one upper wing. Now what I did was I put the wire guard and the earring wire on this side. So I'm going to put the wire guard on this side just so that they hang opposite directions. You can do it however you wish. So I'm going to go up through 3 of these 15-ohs. I'm going to pick up my wire guard. Now I did close down the wire guard just a little bit because it's going around a 15-oh versus an 11-oh or an 8-oh. So then I'm going to come back down the wire guard. Going to go back through that third 15-oh just to secure that wire guard. And then I'm going to go down all 6 of these 15-ohs down the side of the wing. Because this is so lightweight, I only felt I needed to go once through the wire guard. If you feel that you need to go twice through, just make another round through it. So we went down all 6. We're now going to go through this outer edge of the MiniDuo. And we're going to do similarly what we had on the top part of the wing. We're going to pick up 3 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go through the flat side of that PieDuo and come out the curved side. Now we're going to pick up 6 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go back through, kind of curve around here. We're going to go back through the flat side of the PieDuo, come back out the curved side, and then we're going to go through all 9 of these 15-ohs. So go through the PieDuo, flat side to the curved side, and then we'll go through all 9 of the 15-ohs that we just added. So that side is done. Now we have to go over to the other side. So we're going to go up through this MiniDuo, across, down through the other hole here, and through the flat side to the curved side, which will take us over to the IrisDuo. So up through the Mini. Scoot over to the other hole, go down through the mini. Through the flat side of the PieDuo, out the curved side. Now we'll go through the IrisDuo, the bottom hole of the IrisDuo. We'll go through the curved side of the PieDuo. We'll end up over here by this inside hole of the MiniDuo. We'll go up through the MiniDuo, the inside hole. Then we'll scoot over and we'll go down the outside hole of the MiniDuo. So now we'll finish off the other side of the wing, just like we did over here. So we're coming out the bottom side of this MiniDuo on the outer hole here. We're going to add 3 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go in the flat side of this PieDuo, which then takes us out the curved side of the PieDuo. We're going to pick up 6 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to curve around. We're going to go through this hole again and come around to the curved side. So through the flat side. And then we'll go through all 9 of the 15-ohs and through this outer hole of the MiniDuo. So there we go, all 9. And then through the outside hole of the MiniDuo. And we'll do the same thing for the top half. We'll pick up 3 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3. We'll go through this flat side, which takes us out the curved side. We'll pick up 6 15-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go through this flat side again, out the curved side of the PieDuo. And then we'll come down all 9. There's 3 of them. Almost. Then we'll go through that outside hole of the MiniDuo. We'll find our tail thread. We'll go up through the inside hole of the MiniDuo. And that's where our tail thread is. So then we'll tie it off there and then burn off your threads. Now all we have to do is add our ear wire to our wire guard. I just took my pair of pliers and kind of pushed it to the side. Slide that right on, push it back, and you have a pair of Flutterby earrings. I've also taken these components because they're very versatile and done in different colors, and then I just attached it to this Athena cast frame with a little bit of chain to create a necklace focal piece as well. Very versatile. Thank you for watching this Flutterby earring tutorial, and I hope you join us again for future Potomac bead videos.